Today, I'm going to show you 2 ways to animate an object along a path. Once you master this, you can create animations just like these. To help you all understand it more easily, I'll demo these 2 methods with this simple animation. First, let's create a new composition and name it Motion. Set the duration to 3 seconds. That should be enough. We need a path and a ball to demonstrate these 2 methods. Let's create the path with the pen tool first. Move the middle vertex up. Turn off the fill. And create a curve here. Adjust the handles to make the path smoother. Okay, that's good enough. Click here to deselect everything. Then create a ball using the ellipse tool roughly here. I'll make its color white. We'll name this layer Ball and this layer Path. Okay, everything we need is ready. Let's use the first method to animate the ball along this path. It's very simple. We just need to copy the path data to the ball's position property. With the path layer selected, press P to find the path property. Select Path and copy it with Ctrl+C. Click the ball layer and hit P to bring up position. Select the position property and paste the data with Ctrl+V. A automatically creates keyframes for us. Each keyframe corresponds to a vertex on the path. Now we got this. It's easy, right? Also, we can adjust the speed by dragging the keyframes. With all the keyframes selected, hold down the Alt key. Drag the last keyframe forward a bit to slow it down, or backward a little to speed it up. That's it. Very easy. Let's use the second way to do this. First, we need to reset the ball to its initial state. Then go to Window and select Create Nulls from Paths to open the panel. Drag it down a bit to show this button, which we will use later. Select the path layer. Type P to search for the path property. Select the path property, then click on Trace Path. As we can see, it helps us create a null object that follows the path. Expand the layer. We can see it creates a trace path effect here. We turn off this option because we don't want the action to loop. On this progress property, it creates a keyframe at the start and another at the end. To make the ball follow along, we need to parent the ball to the null object. Hold Shift while parenting to make the ball automatically snap to the null's position. There we go. It's a bit too fast. Select the last keyframe and move it a little further to slow it down. Now, let's make the path appear as the ball moves. Select the path and add trim paths from the Add section. Expand trim paths and move the playhead to the beginning of the timeline. Add a keyframe to the end property and set its value to 0%. Select these 2 layers and press U to display only keyframed properties. Move the playhead to the last keyframe, right about here, and set the end property value to 100%. Now we have this. To make it look better, select all keyframes and hit F9 to apply Easy Ease. It looks great now. That's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.